Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus, and my Pile of Shame project for 2019 is a whole Grey Knights army, and this is the first update. This is doing all the prep work, so I'm sure you're all riveted for that. What we have here is an army that I collected about 4 years ago and never really got anything done with it, so they have been sitting at the top of the Pile of Shame, and it's time to get them done. So this is the numbers that I'm talking about, and as you can see with the legs in the background, we left them pretty much on the frame as much as we could, and then we to try and work out all the different weapon options. It's not as easy as you think, but let's take a time to look at Revell and see how rubbish their plastic glue is. That's the third bottle that's ruined like that, and I also had a toilet leak in the middle of this project. Not advisable if you can avoid that. But that's what they all look like when they're ready for getting mounted on the cocktail sticks. So you can see it's pretty decent and out of backpacks for the normal Marines. And the weapon options, holy moly, there are 53 of them in this photograph. And wow, trying to work that out is unbelievable. So eventually got them all separated into bags so we could keep a track of them. And this is us in Crux Terminatus Garage. We are putting masking tape on a stick there to hold down all the sort of flyaway pieces for priming. So you'll see there things like pauldrons and so obviously just the knights with their weapons held on with blue tack, so we can get to them, spray them and get back to them later on. We're holding down the helmets, I think, at the moment with blue tack, just to try and give us to try and save us from drilling in 53 holes in cocktail sticks. We just tried it this way and it worked fine. So for the colours, we're using lead belcher spray primer and just Corax white primer as well. Roddy's a bit more au fait with the spray cans than I am. I'm an airbrush kind of guy, so he took the lead on this. So thanks for Roddy for all your help. It's greatly appreciated. And as you can see, just making sure he's giving them a really good coating so we don't have to come back again. And we started off trying to do the actual Knights and the Terminators like this, but it soon became apparent that it wouldn't really work. So in the end, we sort of got a base coat on them doing it this way, but in the end, Roddy preferred to take them out and do them one at a time. So we used 2 whole tins of lead belcher spray right to the very last. You can see there things like the pauldrons have been done white, and you can see some of the weapons done in the background as well. But what Roddy's showing you is the trick to get the force weapons or the nemesis weapons. We want to work up from a white base coat, so once they've been sprayed grey, you stick the blade through a rubber glove or a sandwich bag or whatever it is, or cling film, whatever you happen to be using. But in this case, it's just a standard latex glove. We take it outside. We've obviously been at it all day because it's pitch black now, so and far too close to my car for liking, we start spraying white primer on that. I think that's actually army paint or white it is. So what you do is you give that a good spray so none of it goes over your grey that you've already done for the hands of the Terminator or the Marine, and then basically what you do is you poke it through the rubber glove, and it gives you a perfect seal and a perfect mask. So now the fun starts of painting them, so stay tuned everyone. We'll speak to you soon. Thanks, cheers, bye bye.